In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a list of directions in Apple Maps on your iPhone as of 2025. Navigating with Apple Maps can sometimes be a little daunting, especially if you want to see a detailed list of upcoming turns and landmarks. But worry not, as I'm here to guide you step by step on how to effortlessly access this information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well equipped to utilize Apple Maps like a pro. First, let's kick things off by opening the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. It's usually located on your home screen or in your utilities folder if you've tucked it away. Once you have the app open, go ahead and enter your desired destination in the search bar. You can simply type in the address, the name of the place, or even a point of interest if you're feeling adventurous. With your destination set, the next step is to start your journey by initiating turn-by-turn navigation. To do this, tap on the Go button, typically highlighted on the screen for easy visibility. This action will prompt the app to begin providing spoken directions and real-time progress updates, getting you poised for the road ahead. Now, while you're in navigation mode, here's where the magic happens. On the navigation screen, you'll want to swipe up gently from the bottom of the display. This motion might feel intuitive if you're used to navigating your iPhone's interface, but it's just a swipe up, no need to overdo it. Once you've swiped up, tap on the word details that appears on the screen. Doing so will unveil a comprehensive list of directions, giving you a clear picture of your route. At this point, you should see a detailed list of all the upcoming turns you'll need to take. The list includes crucial information such as street names, distances between turns, and the estimated time it will take to reach each step in your journey. Having this list handy lets you plan ahead, stay alert, and feel confident as you make your way to your destination. This feature is particularly useful if you're navigating through unfamiliar areas or complex routes. It allows you to anticipate your next moves without solely relying on abrupt voice prompts. Remember, you can always swipe back down to return to the full GPS view for a visual representation of your route. That's it! You've just learned how to access a list of directions on Apple Maps like a seasoned traveler. This small addition to your navigation routine can make a huge difference, offering peace of mind and an enhanced sense of direction. Thanks for joining today's session, and happy travels.